This demo is using Bling Crystal from the new She Shimmers powder polish kit. We've also got peppermint pastel blue and we've got white. So I've just mixed them together so we've got a nice wintry, glittery look. So you can imagine you could do your middle finger with your Bling Crystal and then you can blend out into the blue and blend out into the white. So I'm going to demo this one because the repeat on the white is exactly the same method. So I'm going to start with peppermint pastel blue, and this is a really fine colour. It picks up really thinly. So I'm going to use my 2 and 4, create my base layer. Straight in and up. Just going to let that settle for a minute. Brush away any excess. I'm going to go on with step 3 layering gel, and I'm just going to do exactly the same again. Back into the peppermint pastel blue. I love this one. So I'm just going to use a small nail art brush. It's stained from using with other powders. Just make sure you've got nothing on the brush. I'm going to dust off my excess. And instead of painting the whole nail, I'm just going to come across from one side with my number 3. I'm going to paint down the edge and just feather it over. I'm going to pick up some of my glitter colour. I want a nice full coverage all down that outer edge, and then I just want it to fade out towards the middle. So I'm bringing my brush higher, further away, and just some gentle taps just to blend it out. Going to give that some time to settle. Clean out my brush. And then very gently brush away the excess. And make sure you've done the back of the finger or the colour pop as well, because we're going to dip into the clear now. Full layer of step 3 all the way over the nail. Now before I go into my clear, I'm not quite happy with just that little area there. I feel like I'm missing a bit. So quickly before it sets, going to pick up just a touch more, just for there, tap off that excess and straight in. So even when it doesn't go perfect the first time, it doesn't mean it's not fixable. It's very forgiving, the powder polish. Tap off any excess. Gently brush away, and I'm going to top coat with step 2 and 4. I'm going to use step 5 gel activator to set all those layers nice and hard before we file. Once that's set, you can file and top coat as usual.